Hello everyone, this is in continuation to our topic logarithms. The next question is to prove that logarithm of square root of 27 plus logarithm of 8 plus logarithm of square root of 1000, the whole thing divided by logarithm of 14,400 equal to 3 by 4. So let us start from our left hand side and see whether we can bring it to the right hand side. Left hand side, first one is logarithm of 27. 27 can be written as 3 cube and there is a square root, so I will write it as to the power. Then 8 can be written as 2 cube and then let me factorize this 1000 to 5 to 250 to 125. I'm sorry, let me use 5 then. 525s are 5 are. So I can write this as logarithm of 2 power 3 into 5 power 3, whole thing to the power of half because there is a square root. This is what? This is our LHS, left hand side. Similarly, let us factorize 144,000. Let us start with 5. 5 2s are 10. 5 8s are 40. 5 8s are 40. Then 5 5s are 25. 5 7s are 35. 5 6s are. Now start with 2. 2 2s are 4. 1 means 2 8s are 16. 2 8s are 2 14 4. 2 72. 2 36. 2 18. 2 9 3 3. That means I can write this 14,400 as 5 to the power of 2, that is this and this, then 3 to the power of 2, and then multiplied by, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2 power 6. Now, this can be further written as, this is 3 by 2. I can take it to the left of logarithm, log 3. This is 3 log 2, and this is 1 by 2 times log of 2 cube into 5 cube. Whole thing divided by this one, log ABC, log A plus log B plus log C. Again, here 3 by 2 log 3 plus 3 times log 2 plus half times, this is log AB, that can be written as log A plus log B. Then the denominator, it can be written as 2 log of 5 plus 2 log of 3 plus 6 log of 2. Now this is 3 by 2 log 3 plus 3 times log 2 plus half times, this can be written as 3 log 2 plus 3 log 5. Denominator, we may notice 2 is common. Let me take it outside. Log 5 log 3 plus 3 log 2. Now this can be written as 3 by 2 log 3 plus 3 log 2, and this will be 3 by 2 log 2, 3 by 2 log 5. Whole thing divided by 2 times log 5 plus log 3 plus 3 log 2. Now let us bring first 5 So it is 3 by 2 log 5. Then let us bring the 3. It is 3 by 2 log 3. Then here you have log 2 log 2, 3 plus 3 by 2. So plus 3 plus 3 by 2 log of 2 divided by 2 times log 5 log 3 3 log 2. Now the numerator I can write it as 3 by 2 log 5, 3 by 2 log 3. This, if I add these two, it is 6 plus 3, 9 by 2. 9 by 2 log 2, whole thing divided by 2 times log 5 log 3, 3 log 2. Now in the numerator, I can take 3 by 2 outside. So I can write it as log 5 log 3. The last one is 3 log 2. Denominator, I'll write the same thing. 2 times log 5 log 3, 3 log 2. Now you may notice in the numerator within brackets, denominator within brackets are the same. We can cancel. So that becomes 3 by 2 by 2, which is nothing but 3 by 4. That is our desired right hand side, hence the proof. In case if you find the contents to be useful to you, I request you to please like it, share it with your friends, and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you.